name is Lee, and today I'm going to show you how to make artist trading cards. You might be asking, what are artist trading cards? Well, artist trading cards are an amazing way to express your creativity, experiment with new ideas and materials, and best of all, they are fun to collect, give as gifts, and trade with your friends. These cards fit perfectly in the palm of your hand or in your pocket, so it's easy to always carry a few around to share and show off your artistry. Are you ready to begin? Let's do this! You can create artist trading cards out of simple supplies you probably already have at home. To get started, you'll need the 4 items I circle here on the list. Everything else is optional. You don't have to have lots of fancy art supplies. It's really about using whatever you have around. Even if you just have some magic markers or a ballpoint pen, you can make some incredible designs. I will list everything used in this video in the description box below and link to some of my favorite artist trading card supplies, so check that out after you watch the tutorial. You can use the items I suggest or come up with ideas of your own. To start making, you need some heavy paper. I like to use watercolor paper, but you can also use cardstock or anything that has some thickness to it. Cardboard from a cereal box or the cover page of an old magazine or catalog could work well too. Carefully cut out a 2.5 inch by 3.5 inch rectangle from your card material. To make it easier, I suggest measuring with a ruler first and marking lines with a pencil so you'll know where to cut. Ask a grown-up for help if you need it. Cut out a bunch of these little rectangles at once so you'll be able to make lots of artist trading cards. Hazel, the artist working here, likes to paint her cards with watercolor first. As you can see, she uses a lot of water and a lot of paint so that the colors will be really juicy and bright. It's really awesome to paint a bunch of cards all at once, then turn them over as they dry and paint the backs. It's fun to experiment and try blending different colors to see how they mix. Have fun exploring and trying out different ways of making marks with your brushes. When the paint is completely dry, it's time to move on to the other elements. If you have some rubber stamps and an ink pad, you can stamp on your card. Can you find some beautiful or interesting photos in an old magazine? Hazel found this picture of some roses and decided to cut it out and glue it to her card. Make sure you use plenty of glue. Ooh, Hazel's showing us a cool trick here. If your cutout is too big, you can fold the extra amount around the card so it's sticking to both sides. How about some decorative tape? Washi tape comes in thousands of colors and patterns, and it always adds something special to artist trading cards. Look at this sparkly paper star Hazel found. I think she found the perfect spot for it too. I love that little finger dance. And there you have it, friends. There are a million ways to make artist trading cards your own. Invent characters, draw your favorite foods, use cute stickers. The sky is the limit. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. You can also follow us on Instagram at sayorgdc and find out more about what we do at www.say.org/dc. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.